this is a Devon Moonraker. This is not a Westphalia. So the propane is inside. It is in this locking cabinet that's generally supposed to be sealed. Generally is, but I put a diesel tank in there for the diesel heater, and it still smelled a little bit, and so I wanted to move it back here. Also, I moved to this stuff. It's way more expensive than diesel, but it seems to burn just fine. It smells a little like Zippo fluid, probably not quite as much. This is a 5.5 liter tank that I got on Amazon, and it's gonna hold plenty for me. I don't do a ton of winter camping, and I bought the standpipe kit. Also, it slides back there. I'm gonna build something that holds this in place. But I was real paranoid about running the fuel line inside here, and I found what I think is just an awesome solution. I was reaching under here, I felt this basically frame member, and I thought, wow, it'd be great. You can see there's the frame member right there, this piece right here. And so I was reaching under there and felt it, and thought, wow, if there's some way to run it. A lot of times there's holes in these frame members, and in fact there is. So, bang, it goes up in there. I thought, this is too good to be true. Let's try shoving that hose down here. And there's a hole right there, and I thought, okay, this is right. So, runs all inside here, and I was going to pull it out here. I said, let's push it down even further. So, it's coming out right there. And put a little fuel line around it just to protect the hose, and it goes under there and goes across. It goes up under there, and there it is. Comes through. I think it came through this hole, one of these holes, and oh, okay. Anyway, just kind of find a hole to punch it through, and then there we go.